All right, just a quick update. I finished up some panels, so this just be a little short overview. So my part of the interior is done, and I'll show you the back seat or back of the seat area. So that's what my part was. So I got all that done, all the panels, everything's ready to go. Like I said, this is the passenger side, so turned out okay. Far from perfect, but just to give you guys a little update, that's where I got with the panels. So next thing up, we'll be on to carburetors and getting them installed, and hopefully getting this thing running and getting it idling and out of here. So I put the fiberglass hood on too, by the way, and I've cut a big hole in it. And I'm waiting on the carburetors because I know I'm going to have to cut more out of this side to clearance the fuel lines and stuff, and I don't know about this side yet. So and then I got to spray a little black paint on it, and that'll be it. This is just a little quick update video. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for coming back. Hit that like and subscribe button for me. This is really short, and it may be a couple of weeks after this. It may be longer. I don't know. We're supposed to start construction on our new place. Probably we may have started by the time this little quick video comes out, but I'm not sure yet. We're still in the process of getting permits and all that kind of stuff. So I will make some posts, and I will show you guys the property, and I will show you guys the building as it goes up, and I'll show you what we plan on doing, and those will be some updates that I'll get to. And I may show you me doing some work on this building because I'm self-contracting it to get it up. So just to keep you guys up to speed. So hey, till next time, keep your head up, don't look down yourself, don't look down your other. I'll get it right here in a second. Don't look down yourself, don't look down on others. Get out there and work on these old rides. Save a part of history. Till next go round, see ya.